Step out of the car when I tell you to.
I'm fit you, sir.
Hey,
You're
stop
gonna do it
reaching.
now.
You know who I am, sir. You know who I am.
Stop reaching.
Listen, sir. I'm a brother, sir. I can show you my identification,
Keep both
sir.
your hands up, just
I
like
can show
you're
you my
doing now.
Hey,
identification.
You understand
keep
me?
your pull your gun out.
I got a weapon on me, sir.
I know you got one.
Yeah.
Hey, stop!
Pull your gun out. Hey,
Stop!
Sir,
stop.
you put me in handcuffs now, sir. Put me in handcuffs, sir. Sir, you got me right here, sir.
Get on the ground.
It's a case out of Jacksonville, Northwest Side, January 2022. About 1 in the morning, a car gets pulled over for running a red light routine stop. Should have taken 20 minutes. The driver would have gotten a ticket. Everyone would have gone home. That's not what happened. There were 5 people in that car. By the time the stop was over, one of them was lying in the middle of the road bleeding out. Another one was gone. Just gone. Never been found. And the only reason the cop on scene didn't end up dead himself was because a security camera across the parking lot happened to be pointed in exactly the right direction. What I want to do in this video is walk you through the body cam. The whole thing. Both officers, the surveillance footage, all of it. Because the official version of this case is 4 sentences long. And the actual story, the one that's in the 14 minutes of footage you're about to watch, is a lot more interesting than that. Couple of things I want you to keep an eye on. When the officer walks up to the car, watch the driver's hands. He's already got them out the window. Nobody asked him to. A few seconds later, watch what the body cam catches when it moves over to the front passenger. This is Grayfile TV. Let's go.
HQ start at 35. I'm 77 right now. Hey, how y'all doing?
All right, you safe, sir?
You mind rolling the back window down? I can't see in the back. Oh, hey, how y'all doing? If you all could just do me a favor, make sure your hands, I can see all y'all's hands, okay?
How you doing tonight, sir?
I'm doing good. Is this your car?
This is my godmother's car.
Your grandmother's?
Godmother.
Your godmother. Okay. I got you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Whatever you need, I'm cooperating. Whatever you need.
All right. You got a good driver's license on you?
Yes, sir, I do.
You do? Okay. All right. Where y'all headed to?
I was going to Walmart, go see what
Yeah.
find out it was closed. That's why I busted U-turn,
I got you.
and then I was just heading on.
Did you realize that's why I pulled you over?
Yes, sir, I know.
Okay. I was just checking.
Just because the light was, I thought just because the light was red and then there was no one coming, I could actually make that U-turn.
Okay.
But that's the only reason I did bust the U-turn as far as with light being red, because technically, I mean, it doesn't say don't bust a U-turn on red.
Okay.
It just says yield. So,
Okay. So when it's a red arrow, it basically means don't go,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. You're right.
Okay.
Correct.
All right. You got your ID on you real quick?
Yes,
Any firearms in the vehicle,
No,
anything
sir.
like that?
May I turn off the car?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Well, I do know my ID by heart.
Where's your ID at?
I left it at home. I was going to Walmart. No,
You left it at home. Do you have a good license?
Yes, sir, I do. That's why
Okay.
I can give you everything, whatever you need.
Okay.
Get on the car.
Go ahead. Step out the vehicle, man.
Yes, sir, no problem. Whatever you need, you
Turn around. Do you mind if I check you for
Please
weapons?
do.
Is that just a little bit of weed in your pocket?
No, sir, it's a bag of chips.
Bag of chips?
Bag of chips.
All right, it's just keys.
Yes, sir.
All right. No. Just slide back here with me. Let me get your ID real quick. All right.
Oh, well, I don't actually, but I know my ID number by heart, and it's me. Lamar.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes,
you
sir.
just gotta have a state ID card.
I have a driver's license with my name on it. Everything is just that it's at the house. I know
It's
it.
at the house. Okay.
I know my whole number by heart.
Okay. Cool. Quick question. Do you have a medical marijuana card?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Where is that at?
That's also at the house.
Okay.
And I do have the code and everything for that. That's why, if possible, as far as getting my phone, because I do have a marijuana
You have a
card.
picture of it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Does everyone in there have a medical marijuana card?
I'm not sure about them, but that's why I was driving.
Okay.
As far as just in case of having.
All right. You have your phone on you that you can show me the medical marijuana? Yeah. Go ahead and grab the phone. Let's look that up real quick.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna pull up the email if you don't mind.
Okay. Go ahead. Put your stuff on the car.
Yeah.
You don't got your ID on you, so you're just gonna hang out in the back of my car, all right?
Whatever you need me to
Just
do.
put yourself in there,
Yes, sir.
on top of the car. Go ahead, slide in.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go ahead and take him out. Quick question: do you have a medical marijuana card?
Sir, I don't answer any questions, sir.
Okay, step out of the vehicle for me.
I can show you my.
Step out of the vehicle for me.
Okay, let me back up for a second because there's a lot stacked into those first few minutes that's easy to miss the first time through. Think about what the officer's working with by the time he gets back to that front passenger seat. He pulled the car over for a red light. Simple ticket. Then he gets up to the window and he smells marijuana. In Florida, that smell alone is probable cause. The whole legal posture of the stop just shifted. He can now ask everyone out of the car, search the vehicle, all of it. Then he looks at the passenger, and the guy's wearing a vest, body armor, at 1 in the morning, riding shotgun in a car that just ran a red light. That's not illegal. You can own a vest in Florida. But put yourself in the officer's shoes for a second. You walked up expecting a ticket. 2 minutes later, you've got marijuana inside the car, a guy in body armor in the passenger seat, and you're standing alone on the driver's side of a vehicle with 5 people in it. That's the moment the whole stop changes. And then the passenger says the thing. "I don't talk to police, sir." He doesn't shout it. He doesn't argue. He just refuses. And here's the thing. Innocent passengers in a routine traffic stop don't refuse to talk while wearing body armor. The officer knows that. You know that. And the man in the vest knows you both know it. So now the officer is about to ask him to step out of the car. In the next part of the footage, you're gonna see what was under that vest. You're gonna see him run. And you're gonna see the 30 seconds that decide every legal question in this entire case. Stay with me.
Do not reach behind your back.
I'm not reaching behind my
Step
back,
out of the
sir.
vehicle.
You reaching for your weapon.
Because you reached behind your
I'm
back
trying to
when
show
I
you
told
what
you to
I have.
step out of the car. Step
Sir.
out of the car, do it now.
I got.
Step out of the car, do it now.
I got my. Listen,
Step out of the car when I tell you to.
I'm finna, sir.
Hey,
You're
stop
gonna do it
reaching.
now.
You know who I am, sir. You know who I am.
Stop reaching.
Listen, sir. I'm a brother, sir. I can show you my identification,
Keep both
sir.
your hands up, just
I
like
can show
you're
you
doing
my
now.
Hey,
identification.
You understand
keep
me?
your pull your gun out.
I got a weapon on me, sir.
I know you got one.
Yeah.
Hey, stop!
Pull your gun out. Hey,
Stop!
Sir,
stop.
you put me in handcuffs now, sir. Put me in handcuffs, sir. Sir, you got me right here, sir.
Get on the ground. HQ. Shots fired. We're at Dunn Turner. We got one running eastbound. Keep it on him. Eastbound on Dunn Avenue. Send rescue 1067. Got one down. Do not move! Do you understand?
Passing Lim Turner or the Walmart. Keep your eyes on him. I'm coming right down the road. Those units. Shots fired by the police or shots fired by
Shots fired by suspect and by police. Need several 35s.
Are you good, partner?
Yeah, just keep it on him. Do not move.
Air unit K9. I'm almost in ISO.
And I'm 1051. Is he at Lim Turner and Dunn Avenue on that corner?
10-4. We have one suspect down, and we've got one that's ran off eastbound on Dunn Avenue. One detained in my car.
Do you have a description of any suspect that's still outstanding?
The only one who ran over here, we had our partner right here at the backside. He said signals your head. Yeah, do not move. You will get shot if you move. Hey, that other one ran that way.
That way, yeah. He already ran from me once.
Rescue 1068 got one suspect shot. Nice, over.
Subject's coming from eastbound. Be careful. I'm not. He went that way, so. Not sure how many subjects have firearms.
I don't know how many have run.
We've moved away from the vehicle, so we need to approach the vehicle.
Yeah. But what do you need me to do? I'm right here.
All right. Let's approach.
Yeah.
Come over here with us and help us clear the vehicle.
You want me to get behind the vehicle, or you want me to go with you? Where you at station?
We're right here, right next to the building.
You didn't get hit or anything, did you?
No, I don't believe so.
Okay. Yeah,
Let me check.
I'm good too.
Just don't flag anymore.
Yeah.
Step out of the way. I don't know if they have fire.
You don't see anything over there, do you, right now?
There was, how many in the back? Two?
There was 3 in the back.
Are they still in there?
Alpha 260, you're right in our crossfire.
Is anyone in the car right now? Say something if you're in the vehicle. I think everyone left. Hey, do you think we want to get one on the back side of the building?
Okay, we're 3 in the back.
3 in the back.
2 in the front. Female, I believe, on the left. 2 males. 4 males total. Alright, if you're in the vehicle, slowly open the door. If you're in the vehicle, slowly open the door. You will get shot if we do not see your hands. Slowly open the door. And there's 1 in my vehicle, in the back seat.
Are there any officers shot?
1054, I just got 1 suspect that bailed out of the car. He signaled 0, but I got the 0. He's been shot by the police. No officers are hit.
Are you ready?
Yes, on the scene. Do we have a perimeter set for the suspect who ran?
Somebody still in the car?
I can't see if any.
1054.
Tell you what, let's do it like this.
They're about to clear the car that the suspect bailed from.
We're going to go
Come from behind. Yeah.
Yes,
Alright, so let's circle.
Alright.
Circle, circle.
On 1097 on Dunn, driving that way. Is there a description for the outstanding suspect?
It's going to be 1 Bravo Mike, unknown clothing, 1 Bravo Foxtrot, unknown clothing. We're clearing the car now, 1022.
Hey, the guy in the car handcuffed, correct?
Yes, the guy in my car is not handcuffed.
Not handcuffed.
No, but I've already checked him.
Rescue to proceed?
742, 10-4. The only one on Lim Turner.
Alright, if you're in the vehicle, open the door.
I'm in the middle of Lim Turner. I need Lim Turner blocked off.
Open the door.
Yeah, I mean. Okay, if nobody.
Let's clear it then.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to stay online, guys.
See any movement in the vehicle?
I got nothing.
They're clear?
Let's not flag each other. Nothing in the back.
Okay.
Alright.
The man who ran, the man in the vest. His name is Teronnie Wade, 27 years old. He survived. He went from the hospital to the Duval County Jail, where he was held without bond. And when the officers searched the car, they found 22 individual bags of cocaine and a bag of something called flakka, synthetic drug, similar to bath salts, the kind of thing that turns people violent and paranoid. Teronnie Wade was sitting in that car at 1 in the morning because in his world, on his side of Jacksonville, on that particular night, he was expecting something to go down. He just wasn't expecting to get pulled over for a red light stop. The state attorney reviewed the shooting. Justified. JSO's own internal review, same conclusion. If you go through this case on paper, it's clean. Every box checks. The officers didn't escalate, they had probable cause. The suspect drew a weapon, ran, fired first, and the officers only fired back. That's about as clean as a police shooting gets. But here's what stays with me. There were 5 people in that car. We know one of them, Wade, the guy in the vest. The driver, never named publicly. The one who put his hands out the window before anybody asked. The 2 passengers in the back who tried to run. They got caught a couple blocks away. You'll never know their names either. And the 5th one, the one who ran into the dark on Lem Turner Road at 1 in the morning, he got away. To this day, JSO has never publicly identified him, never publicly arrested him, never said another word about him. The case file says this one's closed, but the 5th guy still knows it isn't. This is Grey File TV. These cases don't close.